Welcome back to AnyQuest tutorial videos. Today we're going to be focusing on the merge activity, which is this activity over here. We'll drag it onto our canvas real quick. So this is actually one of my more favorite activities to use because you could take a whole bunch of generate activities and bring them all together on one simple activity using this merge activity here. For this example, I just gave the instructions of the agent being a financial analyst that's researching a company. And essentially what I want to do here, which is a big use case scenario that I've seen, is creating a research doc. Maybe you have already generated information about a company and you have it on files. Maybe you've uploaded the 10K. So you can gather a whole bunch of information on a company and you could bring it all together on this canvas. For this example, I kept it a little simple and just did a bunch of generate activities that are just searching the web for information. So I have general information, I have information on the market share, recent posts about the stock performance, information about their financials, information about risk, right? So I have a whole bunch of information here. And our start activity, we're just going to enter the name of the company, and then all of these generate activities are going to go out and grab a whole bunch of information on that company. And then it's just going to be scattered between these 5 generate activities. So that's where the merge activity comes in. So what we'll do here is we'll drag in and connect all of these generate activities to the merge activity, right? So then we'll click into the merge activity, and first you're prompted to enter a template, basically. And what this is going to do is basically it's going to be the layout of that merge activity's output, right? So we'll come right back to that, but let's go into properties and we'll just type in financial report, right? Because that's what we're kind of want, a consolidated financial report. So here now you have in your format, you have a few different options, right? We could do a markdown, which for a markdown's great, where you can just give a title to each of those generate activities. So you could do general information, and then we'll put in the curly brackets to have that. And then let's say you want financials and so on and so forth. And I'll show you that in a second. So that's markdown, right? Is being able to choose where everything's laid out in a nice format. And then you can output as HTML, text, and JSON as well. So we're going to keep it as markdown for now. Click submit. Go back into the template. So now this is where we're going to kind of design our output here. So what we're going to do is put 2 hashtags, a space, and then basically the title of what you want that content to be, right? So let's start with general information, okay? And then we'll hit return, and then we're just gonna do double curly brackets, and it's coming from generate activity 1, and there you go. So this will be our title, and then it'll have all of the information about our company, all the general information about our company there, right? So then we could come down again. We could do, let's say we want financials next, right? So we'll do double hashtag financials, And then that was from generate 4. All right, so we'll just continue to do this. We'll do recent posts. And then we'll do, let's do market share. So, double hashtag, market share, and then finally we'll have risks, right? Don't forget the double hashtag. It's important. That's how you make the comment. Okay, and then we'll do risks. Cool. All right, beautiful. Don't forget to save. Very important. Okay, so then we'll run this. Enter the name of a company. So we'll type in Tesla. Check them out. Get a nice financial report from them. Come to activities, right? So we're now running all of our generates. Okay, they're finishing up now. So you could type, so for the market share, for instance, it's gone out, searched the web, brought back what it's found from the source, Carriage. It has approximately 44%. General information, it's always a nice thing to have to start of a report about a company. And then our merge is finished, so we'll go into that. So now you have, right, your general information. That was what, remember we had the 2 hashtags and general information. Okay, and that contains everything. And then we go into financials, recent posts. Here's that market share we were just looking at. And then finally risks. So you can see how well that really brought everything together and organized it. It's a really handy activity, especially when you're generating these reports. I mean, you can bring in so much information and then generate a really nice looking report. And the cool thing about this is, we'll get into this in a later video, is we can also then use this report and bring it into other agents as well. And that's coming back here using this deploy here. And like I said, we'll get into that in another video. I just really want to cover the overall merge activity and kind of show you how it's used in a use case. So, yep, that'll wrap it up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.